Hello sir, our patient Francis, who is a known case of diabetes mellitus, his blood sugar are continuously dropping and I am puzzled what could be the cause. Has the patient been fasting or drinking alcohol or experiencing increase in physical activity, and also is there any recent change in his diet? Sir, the patient has not mentioned any of those and he is taking regular diet. What about adrenal and pituitary insufficiency? These can also lead to hypoglycemia. Sir, I considered that, but patient history and symptoms do not align with these conditions. Good. We should also consider about the possibility of liver and kidney disorder affecting glucose metabolism. But if these are normal, then it brings us to patient medication. By the way, what diabetic medication is he taking? Sir, he is on insulin therapy and taking glipizide. Well, giving the patient a stable routine and lack of underlying condition, I am suspecting that his diabetic medication causing hypoglycemia. This seems to be a classical case of drug-induced hypoglycemia. These medications lower the blood sugar level and increase the insulin production, but the excessive use can cause the blood sugar level drop too low. Thank you, sir. So, sir, now how should we proceed? For immediate treatment, advise the patient to follow 15 by 15 rule, consume 15 grams of fast-acting carbohydrate and check their blood sugar after 15 minutes. Repeat until their blood sugar is at safe level, and depending on the severity of hypoglycemia, we might need to temporarily stop the diabetic medication that causing it. It is suggested to stop for 1 week or until the stabilization in the blood sugar level. Once stable, we will reintroduce the medication at a lower dose or switch to a different medication that is less likely to cause the hypoglycemia. It is crucial to educate the patient on adjusting their insulin dose and based on their carbohydrate intakes and activity levels and blood sugar monitoring results. For a long term, a personalized plan and possibly adjusting the timing and type of their medication will help to prevent the future episode. And after the discharge, we will schedule follow-up for assessing patient condition. So sir, education and monitoring are key. Thank you so much sir, and I will ensure that patient will understand these guidelines. Thank you so much.